Did you get the scan on the manifest?
Yes, showing green. Locks engaged.
The transfer is proceeding smoothly.
Confirmed. The flow rate is exactly as expected. We are hitting our efficiency targets.
Temperature holding steady at 95 degrees. The flow rate is optimal.
Acknowledged. We should be ready for filtration within the hour.
The flow rate on stage 3 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the intake valve now.
The automated system is introducing the precise amount of alkali now.
Levels stable.
The shampoo mixture enters the reactors, where precise viscosity agents are added. Digital screens allow
The thermal gauge reading is perfectly aligned now.
Confirmed. The stabilization phase is complete. We can proceed.
We're seeing consistent flow rates, but the viscosity on the last sample was slightly elevated.
Yes, but the automated adjustment.
The torque on station 3 is holding steady.
Good, let's maintain this speed and monitor the reject rate.
The fill level on that one was slightly off.
good catch by the sensor. The calibration is holding steady.
The alignment on line 3 is holding steady. Good. Keep monitoring the pusher timing.
The inkjet calibration looks perfect on these barcodes.
And the sensors confirm placement. We are clear for the next batch.
The alignment on layer 3 seems slightly off.
It's within tolerance, but I'll monitor the next cycle.
Look at the metrics for aisle 4. The placement accuracy is remarkable.
It is. The system flagged one minor discrepancy, but it's already resolved. Check the lipid profiles on batch 7. The bovine metrics are fluctuating.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the saturation parameters now.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Keep an eye on the packaging metrics.
Looks stable. The smart system is handling the load well.
The scrubbers are running at 98% efficiency.
Excellent. The environmentals look stable across the board.
Sequence initiated. Pipeline pressure stable.
Confirmed. Cycle time looks good for the next 3 arrivals.
Look at the efficiency metrics on the eastern quadrant.
Impressive. The new fat processing method is exceeding projections. We need to expedite the delivery to the South American sector.
I'm already optimizing the sea lanes, and they should arrive by Tuesday.
The demand spike for the tallow shampoo is unprecedented. We're exceeding projections by 20%.
Check the supply chain stabilization protocols immediately.
The oleochemical process is exceeding projections by 15%.
Rerouting the glycerin bypass seems to have stabilized the yield.